Most business teams run on spreadsheets. Sales quotes, project tracking, HR reporting, it's all in Excel. And honestly, it works. Until someone emails that file to 10 people, each of them saves their own copy, and that copy gets forwarded to 5 more. Before you know it, nobody can tell you which version is correct, who has access to it, or what data is sitting on which machine. That's spreadsheet sprawl, and it's a much bigger problem than most companies realize. When spreadsheets spread like this, 3 things start to break down. The first is security. Once that file leaves your hands, anyone who has a copy has all the data. There's no audit trail and no way to take it back. The second is version control. You've seen it before. V1 final revised, V1 final revised 2. Which one is the real one? Nobody actually knows. And the third is compliance. Regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, and SOX require you to know exactly where your data lives. If someone asked you that question right now, could you answer it? Let's look at a real example. A lot of sales teams build their quoting tools in Excel. The pricing logic is solid, the product configurations work, and the totals calculate automatically. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. The problem starts when you email it to the team. Pricing changes, so you send out a new version, but half the reps are still working from the old one. Now you have wrong prices going out to customers and no visibility into what's actually in the pipeline. The same thing happens with project management. Teams create a new spreadsheet for every project, email it out for input, and everyone saves their own copy. By the time those files come back, someone has to manually merge 5 different versions to get a complete picture. And that happens every single time a new project kicks off. And reporting is where it gets really risky. Someone builds a detailed HR dashboard in Excel, headcount, compensation, performance scores by department. It's a great piece of work, so it gets emailed to leadership. Leadership forwards it to their teams. And suddenly, sensitive employee data is sitting on machines all across the company, with no way to track it, control it, or pull it back. Here's the core issue. These files aren't really spreadsheets, they're applications. They were built in Excel, but they're being shared like simple files. And the moment that file gets emailed, you lose control of the data, the version, and who's looking at what. The good news is there's a simple solution. With SpreadsheetWeb, you take that Excel quoting tool and turn it into a web application. The pricing logic stays exactly as you built it. Nothing gets rewritten. Now every rep is working from the same tool with the same pricing, and it's always current. Each rep can save and manage their own quotes directly in the platform. The data goes into a database, not a spreadsheet sitting on someone's desktop. Management gets a real-time view of the entire pipeline. Which deals are open, which are close to closing, what the projected revenue looks like. All of it available without waiting for someone to consolidate files. And the whole quoting workflow runs inside the platform. A quote gets created, reviewed, approved, and closed without a single email attachment. The process keeps moving and the data stays in one place the whole time. For project management, that scattered spreadsheet becomes a centralized workspace. Every project lives in the system from day one. Tasks assigned, deadlines set, owners named. No new file, no copy, just a new submission. Team members update their work directly in the app, and the changes are visible to everyone instantly. No waiting for someone to email back their version. Managers get a live view across every active project, what's on track, what's at risk, and what needs attention. Not from a spreadsheet someone remembered to send, but from the system right now. And when a project needs sign-off, the workflow handles the notification automatically. The right person gets alerted, they take action, and it moves forward. No follow-up emails, no wondering if someone saw it. And for that HR dashboard, instead of emailing a file, leadership just logs into the app. They get a full picture right away, total headcount, compensation figures, average salary, all broken down by department and location. They can filter by year and see how things have changed over time without asking HR to dig up an old file. Performance scores, PTO, sick days, all aggregated automatically and always up to date. The data stays in one place. Access is controlled, and nothing gets forwarded, copied, or saved somewhere it shouldn't be. So to pull it all together, SpreadsheetWeb lets you keep building in Excel but distribute like a web app. Your formulas stay intact, your data moves into a central database, and you control exactly who sees what. One source of truth. No more sprawl. If your business runs on Excel, this is worth 10 minutes of your time. The link to try it free is in the description. SpreadsheetWeb, where Excel meets web apps.